Hello everyone, I am Gaurav and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are discussing matrices, order of matrices, element of matrices and types of matrices. So let's start. First of all, matrices. Now, what is matrices? Arrangement of number. Arrangement of numbers in bracket is called matrix, and it is denoted as bracket or no. Case, first of all, we know that order of matrices. Order of matrices. No. What is order of matrices? Let us suppose the given example is suppose a number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this line, it is called row. That is, horizontal line is called row. Horizontal line. Horizontal line. And now, this is called column. Column. Now, first we row, one row and two row. And one column, second column. Therefore, it is written as 2 into 2. That means the order of matrices is in the form of A by B. And now it is indicated as suppose a matrix A, B, C and D. And it is known as M into N, where M is equal to number of row, and where N is equal to number of column. For example, suppose a matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. First, we have to write the order of the matrices. Now, 1, 2. That means number of row is equal to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. That means number of row 1, 2 multiply. Now, number of column 1, 2, 3. That means 2 into 3. And now, element of matrices. Element of matrices. Element of the bracket. Each and every element of the bracket is called element of the matrices. That means suppose each and every 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 are the element of the matrices. It is denoted as A capital I J, where I is equal to respective number of rows, and J is equal to respective number of column. Now, for example, that means 1 2 3 4 5 8, that means 2, that means 1 2 3 4 5 8. Now here I represent 2, I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 3 because I represent number of row and j represent number of column. Now let us suppose A11, A12, A13, A21, A22 and A23. Now suppose a given matrix is 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. And now we have to write the element of A23, that means Aij. If we write the element of A23, that means row number 2, 1 row, 2 row, that means row 2, and element 3, that means A is equal to 8. Now A12, row number 1 and 2, that means is equal to 2. So we write in the form of, now we learn type of matrices. Type of matrices. Now there are 5 types of matrices, so we see one by one. Now number 1, row matrix. As you know, a row matrix, that means a matrix having only one row, Now for example, suppose 1 2 3, 1 into 3. Number 2, column matrix. Now column matrix, that means a matrix having only one column, For example, 1 2 3, one row and 1 2 3, that means 3 into 1. Now number 3rd, null matrix or zero matrix or void matrix. Now null matrix, that means each element is 0. A matrix having each element is 0. Each element is 0 is called zero matrix or void matrix. For example, 0 0 0 0. Now and number 4, rectangular matrix. Now we know that means rectangle, that is length and breadth not equal to 0. That means number of column is not equal to number of row. Or number of row not equal to number of column. Here number of row is represented as m and number of column is represented as n. That means m not equal to n. For example, let us suppose 1 2 3 4 5 9. First of all, number of row 1 2. That means number of row 2 and column 1, 2, 3. That means 2 not equal to 3. Therefore, it is called rectangular matrix. And number 5, a square matrix. A square matrix. A square matrix having number of row is equal to number of column. Number of row is equal to number of column. Now, here, for example, 2, 3, 5, 9. And second example, 4, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3. Now, number of row, that means m is equal to n. And the row of matrix is 2 into 2. That means 2 row and 2 column. 22. And the order of this matrix 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3. That means it is rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. And it is a square matrix. A square matrix. Because number of row is equal to number of columns. Now, a square matrix. A square matrix are of 3 types. Are of 3 types. Now, number 1, diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. Number 2, a scalar matrix. Matrix. And number 3, unit matrix. Unit matrix. Now, first we draw diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. A scalar matrix. A scalar matrix. And unit matrix. Unit matrix. First we are discussing diagonal matrix. Let us suppose 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. Now, first 1, 2, 3. That means 3 row. And 1, 2, 3 into 3. That means it is 3 row and 3 column. Now, first, then in diagonal is 1, 2, 3. That is called principal diagonal. So we are discussing very important topic, principal diagonal. Principal diagonal. What is principal diagonal? Now, top left to bottom right. Bottom right. Top left to bottom right. Now, diagonal matrix follow only 2 conditions. The order could be equal. Order could be equal. That means m is equal to n. And the second, the diagonal are non-zero. The diagonal are non-zero, and the non-diagonal number are 0. Non-diagonal number are 0. मतलब इंटर डायगोनल 0 नहीं होनी चाहिए और बाकी जो भी नॉन डायगोनल नंबर है वे तभी 0 होने चाहिए. Now order is equal to equal, that means number of row is equal to number of column. So it is called diagonal matrix. And now a SCALAR matrix. Let us suppose 3 0 0 0 3 0 and 0 0 3. Now it follows two conditions. First, number of row is equal to number of column, which is 1 2 3, that means 3 row, 1 2 3, that means 3 column. Rule 135 and condition 2, each element of the principal diagonal are equal. That means principal diagonal of each element are equal. That means 3 is equal to 3 is equal to 3, because both principal diagonal of the element are 3. And now unit matrix, that means unit, we know that means 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 and 1. Now condition 1 follow. M is equal to n, that means number of row is equal to number of column. And now second condition, each principal diagonal is equal to 1 and the non-diagonal is 0. Now the principal diagonal is equal to 1 and the non-diagonal number is equal to 0. That's all.